In last week's video, we promised you that we would give you a full home tour, and so here we are, months later. Since then, we've got a new home, so come on in. Babe is behind the camera, so you walk into the front door, and we are in, I guess, kind of the entryway. So follow me around the corner. We have our garage over here. You guys may have seen that from a lot of the walkthrough videos. So we have a garage, and right over here is our guest bedroom. So we always said that this is what my office is gonna look like. Ta 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 ta. Well, at least I always said this was gonna be my office, but after doing some thinking and some talking about it, and knowing that all of my family is out of state, we thought this would be a better guest bedroom. So my office is now the guest bedroom. What makes it great is that it comes with a full bath ensuite. So we can get in here, and the shower is nice. We can like take a shower and whatnot. So don't get the belly. And then walk right on out. Close the door, and we have our toilet. I know there was some debate. So I don't know. I think maybe the toilet's probably going here. Or no, maybe this is a sink. Maybe one of these is a sink. One of these is a toilet. I was like, I didn't know which one was a toilet. We have our toilet over here, and then we have our sink over to the right. We're gonna walk out of this space and head on up the stairs. Don't look at my butt cheeks. So the stairs are pretty steep, but that's all good because it gets a good thigh workout. And this is our main living floor. Kitchen, living room, kitchen. Which one should we start off with, hun?
Let's go with the kitchen.
All right, let's go to the kitchen. So we have a rear kitchen. This is it. So this is our kitchen. And the cool thing about having a spec home is that I got to pick the countertops, I got to pick the paint color, I got to pick the floors, I got to pick the knobs for all of the cabinets. Thankful for us, all the appliances were included, so we didn't have to buy anything new. We've got our banana bread, our future banana bread waiting here for us. And we have so much more space than what we had before. I mean, my goodness, we have, just layers and layers of stuff. All of our wedding presents, all of our spices, everything just fits nicely. Right around here, we also have deck, which is I'm not gonna go fully outside, but we have a deck, which is nice. We can go out and grill on and do what we need to do. Lock that up. And this is where we eat. You guys may have seen this table before, but again, it's just a lot more space, which is really, really nice. So we're still moving in, so there's gonna be a lot of boxes and trinkets that are out of place, but hey, if we had $1 million to fully furnish it, we would, but when you're moving in for the first time, y'all, it's gonna take a while to get things organized and furnished and get the right type of organizational tools for the right type of thing. So here we have it now. This is our living room and our couch. We always wanted a sectional, so we ordered this, and you saw the green couch over there. This is our old couch that we either want to sell or, I don't know, just leave here. We have to figure that out, but. And this is officially our living room here. Look at these windows. Oh my gosh. We have a lot of windows, as you can see, lots of blinds. And we just got this entertainment unit in, about 1 week ago, 2 weeks ago?
About 2 weeks ago.
About 2 weeks ago, and I absolutely love it. We got it from Ethan Allen along with the sectional. We got a rug from Amazon along with the coffee table from Amazon, but we've had that coffee table like forever. We do plan on upgrading the TV and putting stuff in these cabinets. We just got this, and it takes a while to furnish, so we do plan on getting some stuff. I think I really want to get some paint some white vases to put in here, along with some books and little trinkets, and again do a little TV upgrade, move this down to the guest bedroom below. So we have plans. Stay tuned because we will give you some house updates. If you want it, just comment down below. If you don't want it, don't comment. But if you want more house updates with furnishings, just comment down below, and as things happen, we'll make it happen. Also on the first floor is our guest bathroom. Lights on this side. This is our guest bathroom. And what I like about it is Hun's tall legs can still fit in here. See? Watch. Hun is 6'3", and what I love about this, and when we actually looked at houses, Hun actually got a chance to sit on the toilet, and his knees actually did not hit the sink, right?
Yeah.
So we love that about this floor bathroom. So you get to poop comfortably, Hun?
That's messed up.
No, we all get to poop
Yeah.
comfortably. So yeah, this is our guest bathroom. Now we move on to the third floor. Up the stairs, and we plan to put pictures and stuff along these walls. It's just gonna take some time. I think a really cool gallery feature would be nice. But as we go up here, big plans for my office. I found that I work so much better in here when I have my little setup, and it's kind of going for this like French country elegant theme. I like the table, and then I found the chairs at IKEA and we built those, and then later on after the fact I am using this as my inspiration. This little coaster I got for my trip to Paris, and so I'm actually working on a couple of things for my Etsy shop that are here. I don't want to show too much, ta-da! But I'm actually working on a couple of poster prints. I want to get some floating shelves here with a black frame and put some of my prints in there. Get some more greenery. I've got my favorite childhood book, The Stinky Cheese Man and Other Fairly Stupid Tales. It's kind of a little bit of whimsy, a little bit of elegant, a little bit of French vibe, and we'll see how it turns out. And what I love about my office is that you also get to see that we have like the ultimate craft closet that I can put all kinds of stuff in, and I have the best organizational system for like wrapping paper in here. As you can see, this thing is a beast and I love it, and it hangs in here. So we put all of our like wrapping papers, all of my craft stuff, cutting boards, art supplies at the top. So this is really a nice place. Plan to get some more organizational shelves there. We got more boxes down here I have to unpack, but everything is a process. So let's move on. Let's move to the final room where none of the magic happens because we don't actually sleep in this room. This is our master bedroom that we don't actually sleep in because we still need to get furniture for it. We actually sleep in the guest room downstairs, but as we slowly start buying furniture, we'll sleep here. And I can kind of show you the inspiration for this room. It's gonna be kind of like a nice contrast between like dark and light, where we have more dark furniture with like really nice, light, fluffy bedding. I have things picked out, but since this is such a larger space than what we had before in our old apartment, in our old one-bedroom apartment, nice large windows, and this might stay, this might go, I don't know, but we recently picked up this mirror at Pottery Barn Outlet. It was really cool. And this is where our master closet is. Excuse Hun's side. Just kind of look on my side, forget all Hun's side. This is my side, all nice and organized and whatnot. So from there, then we walk into our master bathroom. So our master bathroom is here we have a shower. It's a Roman shower that you can sit down with. It has a nice little ledge. I love it. Gray tiles all around. You can tell we have this kind of like white, gray, silver theme going on. And across the way, we have our toilet that Hun's knees do not hit the doors that we have here, which are really, Hun, you like that, don't you?
Yeah, I definitely do.
Exactly. And that is our entire house. We have our third floor up here. And then we go down to our second floor where we have our living room, our kitchen, and our guest bathroom. And then we go all the way down to our first floor where we have our guest bathroom, our garage, our random closet. And that's it. That's our house tour, y'all. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. Stay tuned for future videos on travel, food, and life. Give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to click subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Bye-bye.